upbeat music playing. Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make those tough purchasing decisions with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of controversy. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head, the Lee Idea Brushless Motor Drone, let's call it Lee Idea, and the LMRC-12 drone, or simply LMRC. Let's dive in and see which one flies high and which one crashes and burns. First up, let's talk about the price. Lee Idea is priced at $89, while LMRC is a bit cheaper at $79. Now $10 might not seem like much, but that's a couple of lattes or almost a month of Netflix. So LMRC takes the first point. But hey, they say you get what you pay for, right? Let's see if that's true. Lee Idea boasts a 4K Sony sensor camera with a 90 degrees field of view. It's like having a mini James Cameron up in the sky. Meanwhile, LMRC offers a 1080p HD camera, which is fine if you're stuck in 2010. Dual camera switching? More like dual disappointment. Lee Idea swoops in for the win here, capturing every wrinkle on your grandma's face from 1,000 feet up. According to Amazon reviewers, the Lee Idea's camera quality is often praised as excellent, even if some units have minor issues. Next, let's talk flight time. Lee Idea gives you up to 20 minutes with its 3.7 volts, 1200 mAh modular battery. That's decent, but LMRC is like the Energizer Bunny on steroids, offering a whopping 26 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film an entire episode of The Office. LMRC takes the crown here. Reviewers appreciate the LMRC's longer flight time, making it great for extended play sessions. Lee Idea has a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, headless mode, optical flow positioning, and even a VR function. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. LMRC, on the other hand, offers headless mode, altitude hold, and a path drawing feature. Draw a path? What is this? Dora the Explorer. Lee Idea's got more bells and whistles than a parade float. According to reviews, Lee Idea's features are highly praised, making it versatile for various uses. LMRC is marketed as being super user-friendly, with one key start, landing, and hand gesture controls. Even your tech-illiterate uncle could fly this thing. Lee Idea, while packed with features, might require a bit more finesse. So if you're looking for something your 8-year-old can handle, LMRC is your drone. But remember, ease of use often means fewer features. Choose wisely, Grasshopper. Reviewers frequently mention LMRC's ease of use, making it a favorite for beginners. Lee Idea comes with a robust brushless motor and a foldable design, making it both powerful and portable. Plus, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. LMRC is more compact and lightweight, but it feels a bit like a toy you'd find in a Happy Meal. Lee Idea wins this round for sure. Reviewers appreciate Lee Idea's solid build quality, though there are occasional mentions of minor durability issues. Based on Amazon reviews, the Lee Idea brushless motor drone is praised for its camera quality, versatility, and robust design, although there are occasional minor issues. The LMRC-12 drone is lauded for its ease of use, affordability, and extended flight time, making it ideal for beginners and younger users. Host standing between the two drones. So, there you have it, folks. If you're on a tight budget and looking for something easy for the kids, LMRC is your go-to. But if you want top-notch camera quality, more features than you can shake a stick at, and a drone that looks like it could star in Star Wars, go for the Lee Idea. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly smart, shop smarter. Product links are in the description. Upbeat music fades out end screen with channel logo and subscribe button. And remember, if your drone crashes, it's probably because you didn't watch our video first. See you next time.